The advent of the soaker came about because of the potential damming on deep rib profile roofs with low pitches. The idea was simple enough. All we had to do was put a Dectite, basically, on its own apron. But the problem was that we had to manufacture two edges, top and bottom, so that they could deform to any profile of the roof. And this is the edge that was developed. Now, it took us about 18 months to get this right, because although it looks like corrugated and it does fit corrugated, it also fits other profiles. And the reason is that there is an angle here, a radius, and a size of a square that are the only three that combine to allow this piece of polymer to simply go flat. And when it goes flat like that, it does not obstruct flow. And as such, we now have a product that can be installed on high-profile ribs with low-pitched roofs and not dam. When the pipe size has been established, use a sharp pair of snips and cut into and around to this line. Avoid overcutting. Lubricate the pipe with water or detergent and simply slide the soaker down. After forming to the roof profile, mark all four corners in this manner, and then mark a line approximately 30 millimetres inside this for your overlap. Now repeat this for the sides after you have determined where the soaker will finish. It is important to remove all ribs from this marked area, otherwise water will dam behind the soaker. Trim off any sharp projections. It is also important to support any roof where ribs are removed. Replace the soaker and form the edges to suit. Liberally apply your sealant under the top and bottom edges. Using preferred fasteners, start fixing from the centre towards the edges. Where required, trim off soaker excess to suit roof profile. When flashing pipes that have a seam or join, be sure to add sealant to the entire exposed length of the seam. This will prevent future leaks. Finally, apply a good-sized bead of sealant around the entire perimeter. This can be ramped to aid water flow and, with the help of masking tape, produce a clean, professional finish to your job. Up until now, the Dectite soaker has been a sleeping giant. Realising the benefits of flashing both the roof and the pipe in one application has changed many people's attitudes. A saving time factor of 75% is not fiction, it's fact. So you can see that a great deal of engineering has been built into the product. Another fact is that the first 3 pipe marks on every soaker product will handle a pitch of 62 degrees. That's a very high pitch. Then again, the Dectite soaker sets a very high standard.